Hello, today we will guide you through how to create demo account in Exness and mobile. In this walkthrough, we'll keep things simple and clear so you can follow along on your phone without any confusion. The goal here is to create a demo account, which is useful if you want to explore the platform or practice trading without using real funds. To begin, open the Exness app on your mobile device. Make sure the app is fully loaded before moving to the next screen so all options appear correctly. Once you're inside the app, look to the top right corner of the screen and tap the three dots. This usually opens a menu with additional account and platform options. If you don't see it right away, give the screen a moment and check the upper right area carefully. From that menu, tap Open Account. This will take you to the section where you can start setting up another account within the app. Since you're creating a demo account, you're not funding a live account here, just preparing a practice environment. After that, tap Continue. This moves you forward in the account setup process. Depending on your app version, the screen layout may look slightly different, but the Continue option should still be easy to spot. Next, tap on MT5. This selects the MetaTrader 5 account type. If you're following the exact process shown here, be sure to choose MT5 specifically before moving on. This matters because the account will be created under that platform type. Once MT5 is selected, tap on Demo. This is the key step that ensures you are creating a practice account rather than a live trading account. A demo account is ideal for getting familiar with charts, tools, and order placement in a risk-free setting. Now tap Continue and follow the on-screen procedure. At this stage, the app may ask you to confirm a few account details or choose settings related to the demo account. Just proceed by reading each screen carefully and completing the prompts as they appear. It's a good idea to double-check what you select before confirming, especially if the app offers different account preferences. When you finish the on-screen process, your demo account should be created and ready to use. From there, you can explore the platform, test features, and practice with virtual funds. And that's it. You've successfully gone through the process of creating a demo account in Exness on mobile.